Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini drones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Otter Mini drone for adults. This drone stands out with its unique 2-in-1 design, functioning both as a mini drone and a racing car. With the press of a button, you can switch between flight mode and car mode, making it ideal for users who want versatility in their aerial toys. It also features one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold for stable hovering, and headless mode for easy control, especially for beginners. Add in the 360-degree flips and flexible maneuverability, and you've got a drone that's fun for all skill levels. The build quality is quite durable, with propeller guards ensuring safety for children and protection against damage during collisions. The included 2 batteries deliver up to 30 minutes of usage, 20 minutes for flight, and up to 30 minutes in car mode, making it a reliable option for extended play sessions. While it may lack advanced features like a camera or GPS, its playful design and ease of use make it an appealing choice for younger users or anyone looking for a dual-purpose toy. Pros include its affordable price point and innovative design, while the cons are its lack of photo or video capabilities and limited flight range. If you're looking for something unique and entertaining, this Otter drone is a great option for casual play. Coming in at number 4 is the Simma X880 mini drone. This pocket-sized drone packs a punch with its exciting stunt capabilities, including 3D flips, circle fly, and rotary ascent. It even has a unique frog jump flight mode, making it a great choice for kids and beginners looking to have fun while exploring basic aerial maneuvers. What sets it apart is its vibrant LED lights, which ensure visibility and add a dazzling aesthetic to your flights. Especially at night, the Simma X880 is designed with safety in mind, featuring a full propeller protection cover that minimizes risks during operation. Its durable fuselage material holds up well against impacts, making it suitable for younger users who might experience a few crashes while learning. Easy controls like one-button takeoff landing and altitude hold make this drone beginner-friendly, while its compact design ensures portability for indoor play or quick outdoor sessions. However, its lack of a camera means it's meant more for recreational use than for capturing aerial footage. Pros include its exciting stunt functions and sturdy build, while cons are the absence of a camera and relatively short flight time. All in all, the Simma X880 is a fun and safe drone that's perfect for kids and beginners who want to explore aerial stunts. At number 3, we have the Loy Drone with camera for adults. This drone is a fantastic option for those who want to capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. It features a high-quality 2K HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle, allowing you to take breathtaking photos and videos from above. With real-time FPV, first-person view, you can connect to your smartphone and enjoy panoramic views while flying. Its compact size and foldable design make it easy to take on outdoor adventures and trips. The Loy Drone delivers a solid performance with altitude hold, optical flow positioning for stable flight, and a user-friendly one-key takeoff and landing feature. With 2 rechargeable batteries, it offers up to 26 minutes of flight time, plenty for capturing memories or enjoying recreational use. It also comes equipped with propeller guards and spare blades for added safety and durability. While it doesn't offer advanced features like GPS or 4K video, its simplicity and affordability make it a great entry-level option for hobbyists or casual flyers. Pros include the 2K camera, foldable design, and extended battery life, while cons are the lack of GPS navigation and limited camera resolution compared to higher-end models. If you're looking for a camera drone under $50, the Loy Drone is a solid choice. In second place, we have the Holy Stone Mini Drone Model HS210. This nano quadcopter is perfect for kids and beginners, combining simplicity with fun features like toss to launch, circle fly, and auto rotation. The drone's altitude hold and headless mode make it incredibly easy to control, even for those new to flying. With 3 included batteries, you get up to 21 minutes of flight time, which is impressive for a drone at this price point. The design is mini and portable, making it ideal for indoor use or taking to parties and school events. It also features full protection with propeller guards to ensure safety during operation, making it a great gift for younger kids. While the HS210 doesn't have a camera, its focus on ease of use and fun aerial maneuvers makes it a standout option in the toy drone category. It's lightweight and durable, holding up well against accidental bumps and crashes. Pros include its beginner-friendly controls, extended flight time with 3 batteries, and durable build. Cons are the lack of a camera and limited range of 160 feet. If you're looking for a safe and fun drone for kids or first-time flyers, the Holy Stone HS210 is an excellent choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Mini 4K drone. This is the ultimate mini drone for those seeking professional-level quality and features. Its 4K UHD camera with a 3-axis gimbal delivers stunning cinematic footage, and with a maximum range of 10 kilometers for video transmission, you can explore vast landscapes with crystal-clear clarity. Weighing under 249 grams, it's FAA regulation-friendly, meaning you don't need registration for recreational use. Plus, it's wind-resistant up to level 5, ensuring stable and reliable performance even in challenging conditions. The DJI Mini 4K is packed with intelligent features like GPS return to home, quick shots for automated cinematic shooting, and beginner-friendly controls such as one-tap takeoff or landing. With 31 minutes of flight time on a single battery, it's one of the longest-lasting options in its category. While it comes at a premium price, the DJI Mini 4K is unmatched in terms of build quality, advanced features, and overall performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this drone is perfect for capturing memories in stunning detail. Pros include its 4K camera, long flight time, and advanced intelligent features. The only con is its higher price. But for those who want the best in mini drones, the DJI Mini 4K is undoubtedly worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.